it's a whole different story. Anyways, holy shit. Let's get into these glosses. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Today we're going to be creating a look with none other than the queen. You know I stan her truly. Anastasia Beverly Hills new sunset collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have no idea how badly I wanted this. There are some things I do want to clear up before. I did get the daylight collection. This is kind of weird because I never ever have problems with them. I love her so much ever since her very first eyebrow kit. Very first, the powder pomade, living for her. It's just this one time I got both collections and she sent me 2 sunset palettes. Now, the other palette, if you're not familiar with the Daylight Sunset collection, the sunset is very blue, deep. The Daylight collection is very rosy, peachy, beautiful. So I have those metallic liquid lips, but she sent me 2 sunset palettes, so it wasn't a daylight palette. Gotta send it back. So maybe I'll make another video doing that collection, but for now we're gonna be doing the sunset collection. I'm so excited. Oh my god, let's jump right in. I'm just that excited. So this is how it came. It came with this in this box, which is honestly, I loved it. It felt like a PR box, and it came like this, you guys. Let me move to the side. Oh, this is so cool. Like, oh my god, I wish I had a poster like this. It did come with the sunset collection glasses, which are like this, which are, they're honestly so cool, so exclusive. They have the Anastasia Beverly Hills symbol on the side. So amazing. I actually wear these so much and I don't want to mess them up, but they're just that cool. And here it came with this lip gloss, which is shimmery, and it's called Blue Hawaiian. Now, when they first revealed this collection, I was living for this. I wanted this so bad because it was a unique color, but it didn't bring me out of my comfort zone. It was just right in between. So that's amazing. That's another thing about this brand, is they always know what the people want. They always know. Here is Pink Daiquiri, another beautiful shimmer lip gloss. Now these are glosses. These are not liquid lips. And here is the palette. So here's the palette. It comes with a nice blue to match that blue lip gloss, a beautiful nudish orangish tone, a bronze, and a brown shade. The brown is a bit ashy in person, ash brown, which I love, which would be beautiful to blend with any other color. But here is the collection. Another amazing thing that I loved about this whole thing altogether was this. Now, I don't know if you guys are ready. Are you ready? I don't even think you're ready. I'm still not ready, and I've seen it already. Hopefully you guys can see. It's not that dark in here, but it came with a pink neon light that says Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now this was something I could not miss online. It looks great with my whole makeup collection. It's so cool. I wish you could see it in person. Let's go ahead and swatch the eyeshadows together. I am so excited to show you guys. Once they revealed this, I died. I don't even know if I already said that. That's how excited I am. I already have Anastasia liquid lip right here. Now here is that deep blue in the shade Blue Flash. Go, that's how it's looking. It's so pretty. It's so pigmented. It's so pigmented. Ugh, I know this is gonna look so great on the eye. I'm excited to create something with this color. Here's the bronze color. Oh my god, they're so pigmented and I barely even touched them. And that one is called Streak. Oh my god, look at them, you guys. They're so pretty and shimmery. Now here's the ashy brown shade Horizon. I'm excited to use this and blend it out with other colors, maybe add texture using this color. I'm not sure yet, we'll see. And here's the nude shade called Birkin. I hope you can see it, I'm not sure, but it is orange. It's a little similar to that burnt orange in the Modern Renaissance palette. I don't know if any of you remember that, but it is very pretty, and I'm living, and I can't wait to create a look and to show you guys, and hopefully you guys can create. It's gonna be very easy, very simple. I think I have in mind what I want already. Now, since in this collection all we have is eyes and lips, I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole face off camera, and then we're gonna get to the eyeshadow and the lip part. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so before we get started with this look, I want to add that you can head down to www.dripcosmetics.co and enter promo code Veronica for 20% off with your purchase. This is an upcoming indie brand, so maybe you want to support them, support me, but they do have glitters. They have eyeshadow glitters that you don't even have to use glitter glue with. They have beautiful highlights, they have amazing liquid lip shades, and they also have 3D mink lashes. All their makeup is so beautiful, go check them out. Okay you guys, so to prime my eyelids, I always start off with Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer to prime my eyes. Now this controls the oils. The thing that I love about this concealer also is that it has a peachy tone, so it does go right ahead and cancel out any darkness on my eyelids, which is also amazing. It's also something I look for because you don't want those colors distracting anybody from your eyeshadows. There we have it. I'm looking crazy as hell, but not for long. So the first shade I'm gonna dip into is Birkin, and that's the nudie orange tone that I said kind of mimics the burnt orange in the Modern Renaissance palette. Now, I also want to show you guys a blending technique, a very easy one, just in case you can't just get a color and blend it while using. I know that's a little advanced, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with a pencil brush. Now, if you don't know what a pencil brush is, it's a brush that's shaped very tapered. I wouldn't say tapered, but pointy, and it gets in the crease really well. And what you're gonna do is just draw out where you want it to, where you want your where you want your eyeshadow to go.
And just draw it out. You don't really blend it yet, just kind of draw where you want it to be.
And then you could go ahead and take the brush that you're going to be blending with and blend it out. Oh my god, if you look at Horizon up close, this brown shade, up close it has purple shimmers in there. Oh my god. I didn't even realize that. Wow, I don't think you could see it. Maybe, I don't know, but wow. Oh my god. But I am gonna go in with that shade, Horizon, and I'm gonna go ahead right on top. Oh my god, you guys, I did a whole Morphe Jeffree Star brush review, and one of my clips came out corrupted, so I couldn't even edit it. And then on top of that, while I finally figured out how to not uncorrupt the clip, but I finally figured out how to download it the right way without it getting uncorrupted, and the very last clip gets deleted. You guys, I was so devastating. That was such a good video, and my boyfriend was like, do everything in your power to save it. He's so cute, and David's so cute. He's like, do everything in your power to save it. And I tried to do everything. I even tried to retrieve data that's already been deleted on the MacBook, but I couldn't. I did everything that I could, and everything that I possibly could think of, and I couldn't get the clip back, so I'm sad about that. This video would have originally been a Morphe x Jeffree Star brush review. But there is a lot of other makeup that's to come and come out, so thinking about that makes me less devastated that that happened. But we do have this beautiful thing to review also. So now that we built that beautiful texture around our crease, I'm going to go in with this shade Streak, and it's this bronze shade. I'm just going to go very lightly on the lid. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like foiled almost. I love this look. It's very pretty. It's kind of sophisticated in a way. So now, the moment that I have been waiting for. I've been waiting to go in with Blue Flash forever. Now I swatched it, you can see, but to be honest, I want to put this under my eye. Should we be brave and do it? Oh my god. We're gonna do it. How is it coming along? I'm actually living. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It gives this blue flashback. Like blue gray vibes. Like I'm living. Oh my god, I'm gonna use the pencil. I'm gonna use the pencil brush so I can put more of it. I really wanted to pop because it's so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. Or do I look like I got punched in the eye? Holy shit. Okay, now I'm just more excited to do the other eye. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Oh my god, you guys, I'm like obsessed with this look. I feel so like sophisticated or something, like resting bitch face. Like just like when David gets home and be like, where have you been? Like something crazy. Like I just feel like Katana or something. Oh my god. Anyways, let's get into these glosses. Now here's Blue Hawaiian. I'm gonna swatch it, of course. And that's what it's looking like. It's pretty sheer, but it is blue. It gives you the colors that you're looking for. Ooh, okay, come through. Holographic look. Holy shit. And then here is Pink Daiquiri. Let's check this out. Ooh, okay. Dang, these are so pretty. Lord Jesus. You know what? Let's try them both. Let's see what they look like on the lips. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I thought I was gonna put it on and I would have to put something on underneath, but that's not the case at all. It's weird because it looks like you're gonna have to put something on underneath when you swatch it on your hand, right? It looks sheer, but no, when you put it on your lips, it's a whole different story. That's so beautiful. I'm not even just saying this because I'm far up Anastasia's ass. Okay, no, stop. Let's go ahead and try Blue Hawaiian because I personally want to wear this one all day. It goes with my Mr. and Mrs. Smith CIA agent vibes, bitch. Oh my god. Honestly, I did not expect this. Holy shit. they smell like cake icing. No joke. They smell like cake icing. Holy shit, I just want to like keep putting it on because it's just so beautiful. Somebody stop me. Honestly, if you get this and you don't like this, or you're not even shook by what just happened, you're a fucking liar. Dude, look. Somebody stop me. Oh my god, did this really just happen on my lips? Like, and like, I'm not even being dramatic. In the history of putting on fucking makeup, nothing like this has ever shook me the way this just did. Look at what it looks beautiful here, but it's like 10 times better on your lip. Oh my god, I honestly can't wait to selfie this. So as you can see, the whole collection went really well. This look is so beautiful. Hopefully you guys try this at home. Let me know if you tried it. The whole collection was great. The eyeshadows blended out well. The pigmentation was amazing. I didn't have to dip too many times. And I think you guys already know what I'm about to say about these lip glosses. I mean, shook to the motherfucking core. What the fuck? Alright you guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. You already know the deal. Bye you guys. Thank you.